Hey, welcome back traders. It's Teamwitherving here. Welcome to another session. There you go. We're ready. Knock off the first week of June. Now we're going to our second week. So this is it. This is our Forex pre-week analysis for June 7 to the 11, 2021. So let's go, guys. Let me go ahead and show you what the market is gonna do this coming week, guys. Remember, today is only Saturday, so we just doing our pre-week. Tomorrow, Sunday, we are gonna be doing our full week. So welcome to our Forex pre-week analysis for the week of June 7 to the 11. All right. Okay, let's go. Let me show you what the market is doing this coming week, and hopefully everything works out on your end. Perfect. Fair enough. So this is what I'm seeing, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you a pair that I'm still in it on my trade. I told you if the trailing stock takes me out, oh well, beat it. That's fine. But at least you know there's some pips to be secure. So as long as you're on blue pips, that's all that matters. But I'm gonna give you one pair, so stay to the end so you can see which one it is. All right. And tomorrow, Sunday, guys, I'm also gonna be giving you another pair that I'm gonna be in it this coming week, just for you to see it. I know we did have yesterday was NFP, so always check the news, guys. So the market did reverse, which is fine, and give us a pullback on the currency on some of the trades that were in it. But I'm still in it, so you will see it. I will show it to you. Okay, so make sure you watch to the end and tomorrow as well. So let's go ahead and analyze, guys. USD Canadian, guys, it is giving us a very new bullish position at this present time. So we're gonna continue teaching you with our TWE sniper entry. All right, so always pay attention to your dashboard. Look at your dashboard. Every single one is selling, guys. Every single one in this particular pair here, it is selling. Look at that. It's telling you there. Sells it all the way from 1 hour, from 1 minute to 1 hour. Everyone is in a sell position, but 4 hours and daily is selling. So weekly, monthly is selling. I'm sorry. 4 hours and daily is bullish, and weekly and monthly is selling. So what it is my understanding for this particular pair. I really like this pair, guys, for a bullish position. But fortunately, right now, real time, the market is giving us a pullback. Look at this pullback here, guys. It's very straightforward. It's there. Don't get fooled. So when you see a pullback, you need to name it, hold it by what it is. It is a pullback. So pullback is active at this position here. And all I can say is the market will continue probably another 15. Let me make this arrow smaller, because otherwise you're gonna get confused, and I don't want you to get confused. So what I can see here, guys, market will come and retest this low here. So we have some evidence the market will give us another probably 15-20 pips. Then the market will continue as a buy. Remember, the market here, guys, is multiple time frame is telling us that we are in a buy position. Our sniper entry is telling us that we also are in a buy position. So we are waiting. What do you think we are waiting in this area, guys? We're waiting for full confirmation to be ready and tell us, okay, now we are heading as a bullet. But all I can see right at this present time is the market, it is giving us a pullback. So it's doing a very nice pullback at this present time. That's why you're seeing all the miners time frame on your dashboard is telling you the market is selling. So that's why you're seeing that sell position, because it's true. Okay, so hopefully this makes sense. And let me know in the comment below, guys. I'm here live with you anyway, so I'm always here live with you. And I think I want to shout out to everyone, guys. I think we did an amazing week last week doing those live analysis on the market. So I guess it helped you a lot, because I was getting a lot of feedback behind scenes. I said, Irving, thank you so much. I'm on 30 pips on this pair. I'm like, things like that. It makes me feel good, really good, because I'm not charging you extra for the knowledge that I give you guys beyond our multiple time frames. So it's pretty neat, man. Pretty neat. Make sure you do me one thing, guys. It's very important for me and you anyway. So make sure you hit that bell notification below so you will never ever miss any content from us. So make sure you do subscribe. Okay, it is important. I'm telling you, it is important. It is important because it is important. All right, let me show you the next pair that I have for you this coming week, for the week of June 7th to the 11th. So we are doing, guys, we are doing our pre-week, our Forex pre-week analysis. So pay close attention. This is Canadian CHF. Canadian CHF, guys, it is selling. Look at these bees, guys. What is multiple time frame letting us know here? It's telling us, oh, we are selling, right? Second thing is what it is your, it's not paying attention to telling the market is doing. Well, it's telling you I am in a sell position. Look at that sell, 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 sell. Look at right now. What is your real time multiple time frame doing? It's going in favor of the sell position. So all we know, we are selling. Look at that. All we know is that we are selling, right? That's all we know. If you tell me anything else, the market is in a buy position, then shame on you. But I don't see nothing yet. Look at yesterday Friday, guys. Yesterday Friday, the market tried to close in a buy position, but it did fail. It left the position open, vulnerable. So now all I can say is for this coming week, guys, the market is selling, like I told you, nothing else. So I can say market will continue dropping, retesting the 61 to our 78 Fibonacci line. So which we have a lot of evidence support and resistance in this area. Very sweet, very lovely. So from here, yes, we are gonna be looking for a pullback right in this position here. Then on this pullback, market will be heading on the other side of the aisle. So it's gonna give us a pullback right in here. Then it will come and retest your mid 61 to your 50 Fibonacci line. Then from there, boom, market will continue as a sell. That's it. That's all I can think, guys. Unless if you do have anything else that you want to go over with me. But so far, this pair is very neat. I really like it, guys. I really like it. It's just going in favor of the sell, so I don't see anything else. All right, so let me know in the comment below, guys, if you are finding this value. Make sure you hit the bell notification below, guys. Oh, one quick thing that I almost forgot, guys. I cannot forget this page. Remember, our Forex disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader. But the most important thing about this business, guy, is that do not invest any money that you cannot afford to lose. The business is very rewardable, but you can also lose money. So learn the skills, guys. Learn, become a beast and become the best of the best of you. You the one who control your life, no one else. Become a member if you want to, guys. The website is below, like you see in it. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's go. All right, so let me show you the next pair, guys, that I told you guys for 3 weeks already that I selling. So I use 3 different accounts, guys, 3 different brokers I use, and I am on profit all of them. So I will give you the other one tomorrow, Sunday. Today is Saturday. Today is only Saturday. Today we're doing our pre-week. Tomorrow we're gonna do our weekly. So let me show you the next one. The next one that I'm in, guys, it is the follow. It is AUD JPY. Pay close attention what AUD JPY is doing at this present time. AUD JPY is giving us a sell position at this present time. First thing you need to ask yourself is, what is my dashboard doing? Well, the dashboard in this present time is giving us a sell position, right? The next question you must ask yourself is, what it is my multiple time frame doing? Well, guess what? Your multiple time frame is letting us know that you are selling. The next question you must ask yourself is, in what direction of the multiple time frame is the sniper entry going? Guess what? Look at what you are seeing here. It's beautifully, guys. It's right in front of your face. If you don't see it, then it's something wrong with your monitor. Not with your eyes, with your monitor. It's clearly letting you know, hey buddy, hey John, hey Billy, hey Harold, hey Veronica, hey Benji, hey Valentina, hey everybody. Well, guess what? The market is giving us, look at this guy, it's telling us that we are selling. Pay close attention. What is your real time frame doing? Your multiple time frame? Well, your real time multiple time frame is telling you we are still selling. But yesterday, Friday, guys, the market reversed. We did have some news going on. There was the NFT yesterday, so we did have some news going on. And guess what? The market did give us a pullback. See that pullback in here? Just name it what it is. It is a pullback. That's it. Remember, market's still solid. So pullback still active. That's what you're seeing on here on the dashboard. You're seeing 1 minute to 15 minutes selling, and the other two are in a buy, and the remains are selling. So by the way, at the end of the story here, market is selling. That's what I'm seeing. So all I can say for this coming week, guys, I'm still gonna be on this guy. I'm not gonna get out. This is my baby for this coming week. If the market reverse on my other accounts, guys, it is okay. Guess what, guys? Guess what's the most beautiful thing in here? Your master trend, it is bearish. So why would I get out? It makes no sense. Master trend is bearish. Let me go with the trend. If the market is doing a pullback, who cares? As long as it doesn't take me out. If it does take me out, guess what? I will put another position. But all I can see here is the market will continue bearish, guys, or retesting your 78 to your 0 Fibonacci line. Look at the levels here, guys. Multiple levels. Look at this level. Boom, 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 boom. Gorgeous. Then from here, guess what it's gonna it's gonna create us a pullback. And that pull, you're gonna see a green arrow right at this area here. We'll come back and retest mid 78 to your 61. Then you are gonna have another continuation of your sell position, red arrow right at this circle here, right on this circle here, and boom, market will continue as what it's supposed to be, which is sell, unless if there is another news coming up this coming week, which I don't know yet, neither you. There's no website that has been updated yet of what the news are gonna be. So, but always check the news, guys. It's very important for you to get well educated and check the news. I want you to become a pro. All right. The link is below, guys. If you guys want to become a member, it's fine. If not, continue watching art, but make sure you do subscribe, like, and share. Okay. Anyway, this information is free to you. Doesn't cost anything. But the master trend on this order, guys, on this pair, it is bearish. I really like the master trend, guys. Master trend here is at this. It is at this, guys. All right, so tomorrow we are gonna be coming and we're gonna be doing our weekly forecast. But today we are doing our Forex pre-week analysis, guys. So tomorrow, Sunday, we are gonna be doing our Forex weekly analysis, which I'm gonna be revealing another pair that I'm gonna be trading this coming week. Okay, so make sure you hit the bell notification below. And once again, guys, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for coming in and always supporting us. We really love you and thank you for everything. So stay safe. Remember, go out, hang out with your family, love them, and hopefully I will see you on the water, because I'm going on the water, especially tomorrow is Sunday. So tomorrow we're gonna be doing barbecue in the middle of the ocean, guys. It's pretty cool. All right, guys, so God bless you for real. Take care. Bye-bye.